Rose here for another one of our FAQ videos. So what do you want to know? Hello. Today we're going to answer the frequently asked question, how to use Gamma Seal lids. The Gamma Seal bucket lid turns pails into reusable containers. To get the full benefits of these lids, they must be installed properly. The Gamma lid comes in two parts, the lid itself and the ring. You must install the ring before screwing on the lid. Install the ring by placing it on the rim of the bucket. Firmly press the ring down as far as you can. Hold it in place as you firmly hit the ring with a rubber mallet. Ensure the ring is secure evenly on the bucket. After applying the ring to the bucket, simply screw on the lid. The ring includes a rubber gasket, so once the lid is screwed in tightly, it has a leak-proof and airtight seal. Check out our Gamma Seal airtight lids at usplastic.com. Thanks for watching another one of our videos. And remember, if you have a question that you would like us to answer, or maybe you have an idea for our next video, send us an email at techvids@usplastic.com or give us a call at 1-800-537-9724. We'll see you next time.